how to find open links in other apps on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find open links in other apps settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First, open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and scroll down. Here you will find this one, useful features. Click on it, and last one here, here you will find it. You can turn it on or off just by one click, as you see, and then just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.